Oh, it wasn't unmuted. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Right, let me press this button. Does that do anything? Okay, not really. I'm going in raw, no intro, because I felt like it. I also need to change this. I could have taken time to set shit up. And that time would have probably been best as the intro. But I want to test out doing no intro. Just because I don't know. I've changed shit up. I like to do that every now and then. Let's go back to this guy. Let's go to V3. V3 time. Is it this one? That's how it goes? Yeah, that should be how it goes. Alright. What am I listening to? Oh, I'm listening to the new stream playlist. Fuck you. Go to Heartbound. Alright. I'm gonna play with the sound a little bit. Gonna be really loud right now. There we go. That should be good. Alright. Hi. Hello. Welcome. Today, we're going to be doing something, that we haven't done before. We are going to be, participating in the Pirate Software Game Jam that's happening right now. It's going on for 2 weeks. Submission is in 2 weeks. The theme got announced today. So, we're going to go over the theme today. We're going to start on a GDD, because I think if I don't make a GDD, I'll be crucified. And maybe we start looking into a little stuff. There's probably not going to be any actual game development today. It's mainly going to be planning, I presume. But I might start a little bit. I don't know. I will also forewarn, I will preface, for, I guess, those who don't know, or those who kind of know. I have never made a video game. I'm a developer, of, mainly Python. I do some other shit, as well, for work, but I'm a developer as a trade, mainly. Kind of. It's complicated. But I've never made a game. I've been in game. That's a lie. I have made a game. I made a game back whenever I was in, middle school. And I remember that the gun shot backwards. And you also didn't have to kill the enemies. I went to, I was in middle school. It might have been before middle school, actually. And I went to, a college for, a summer class thing. And it was all just, older people than me. And then just me, a kid who liked video games. And whose parents were like, oh, he should learn how to make them. So then I went and I didn't really learn. I didn't retain any information. I also learned how to, do some minor robotics. I don't know. I, again, didn't really learn. I don't think I really retained anything. Past that, I've, been in, I think Unreal. I think Unreal, or Unity, one of those two. Because me and some friends were like, oh, we should make a game a few years ago. And I was like, yeah, and then I got in there and I started kind of figuring things out, but not really. And then it kind of got dropped pretty quickly. So I'm excited about this one because I'm going to be doing the development and the idea for it and most of it solo. I will have assistance for assets from my friends if I need it. But actual like development and doing the actual making of the game, I'll be soloing. Just because I want to. I don't work the greatest in a team setting. It's why I prefer team leading, weirdly enough, because it allows me to like teach people and help them. But as far as like working alongside someone or trying to work with someone who's like better than me at a thing, I cannot do. I like, it's not the way I learn. I learn by teaching people, which you know is a bit. But yeah, so that's just an FYI. If you want to learn how to make a video game, don't come here. If you want to see someone learn how to make a video game, don't come here. If you want to see an idiot fail at making a video game but still make one, you can come here. I guess. You don't really have to. There's probably other people. Because there's like, I think, over 9,000 people signed up for the game jam. So, yeah. So that being said, let's take a look-see. Gonna use Opera. I have overlay. Oh, I do have overlay. I'll need Discord in here. Transition. Okay, there we go. Here's all of our Discord shit from doing Discord development that will eventually continue eventually. I'm also excited for this because it gives me like a deadline, and I work well without deadlines if I'm like needing a thing. But if I don't, like if other things catch my attention and there's no limit on the one thing, I just won't do the one thing that doesn't have a limit, and then it never gets done. So deadlines are good for me. They help me focus. So we want to go to Pirate Software Game Jam. And we want to go to the Itch.io. So the stipulations for this, they have the theme here, and we'll go over that. But there are some rules that we want to go over first. So non-exhaustive list, don't be a dumbass, must follow the Itch.io TOS. I don't think I'll be breaking that. I don't plan on making a porn game. Or having anything too bad in it. Woof. Oopsies. Your submission must include a GDD, which we'll be making today. Your submission must run in the browser. So it they're going to be playing it in the browser like it's like old web game, like old Flash games. So this is an important thing that stipulates kind of how we do some things. If you need to leave, let your team know in advance. I don't have a team because I hate people. Do not attempt to sabotage other teams. I don't give a shit about other people. Be cool to each other. I mean, I don't give a shit about other people. I'm just not gonna fuck with them, either in the good or bad way. I guess I don't know. I don't give a shit. No AI generated content. Don't plan on it. No pornographic. Yep. No illicit drug references. Yeah. Okay. You can only use assets that you have the commercial license for. Like I said, I plan on utilizing my friends for assets, and I'll gain a commercial license through that. And yeah, I might use some pre-made assets. We'll see. But I kind of want to mostly make everything from the ground up, if I can. Make sure you know the licensing limits for anything that you use. The intention is for you to build your own stuff and learn from it. Don't overthink this and try to find a way around. Just make things. Game Jam is a flex of personal skill, not a personal wallet. Yeah. Okay, so the submission, what we are supposed to have at the end, the minimal viable product, is a GDD, game design document, that has details on what the game will be, and it doesn't have to be final. I have some ideas that I don't intend on writing yet, because they won't be in the demo, and I don't want to spoil them. I don't know. I think that'd be silly. I've written them down elsewhere, but I won't be writing them in GDD. Required part of your submission. Don't forget it. Yeah. I'm just gonna make sure it's like fully scoped for what I'm at minimum want the game to be, and not what it could be. And that'll also help with like making sure that I don't focus on things that I find cool but aren't needed for a minimal viable product. Because if you have a bunch of cool things but they all don't work together, then who fucking cares? Oh, by the way, I'm still sick, so you hear me dying. I have an icy here to not die. But I'll still die. Make sure you include it with downloadable files. You can read a sample GDD here. Like I said, we'll download that. The prototype. This is a very limited working copy of your game. Focus on playability over anything else. If it doesn't run, it won't win. Like I said, that's why we're properly scoping for this, to make sure that we get to MVP, and then once we get to MVP, we can move from there if we get there early. Your prototype must run in as a browser upload here on Itch.io, which I need to research and find out what the requirements of that are. The reason is required for ease of judging, reduction malware. Winners will be announced during the daily dev stream. Yep. And then they go into voting criteria. I really don't care. I'm just gonna make a game. I don't give a shit what they're voting on. I'm not trying to win. I'm just trying to make a game. Hello, artist. New model. I've had this one for a few months, I think. But yeah. All right. The theme. So this is what was announced today. Everything else we knew about. The community decided on combining the two winning themes of Shadows and Alchemy. Shadows can relate to a number of different subjects outside of light levels. Think about shadow governments, secret societies, or elemental effects. Alchemy can also be used for much more than mixing potions. Alchemy is about transformation, synthesis, combination, and hidden knowledge. Themes are meant to be a restriction that you need to solve your way out of. Don't despair if this is a theme you dislike. Instead, find a creative solution where you can have fun and try something you otherwise wouldn't have. As always, good luck. Alright. Cool EO. Yeah, love pirate software. Submissions. Has anyone submitted anything? Oh my fucking god. Really? Interesting. I don't envy having to judge this shit. It's so fucking cooked. Alright. Read a sample GDD. We'll open this up. So this is a GDD. You can see a bunch of people are reading this one. This is a GDD sample from another game of some statuses. I wonder if they have another sample GDD. Do all of them just point to this? Yeah. Okay. What is it? Go make games? Develop.games. They have a different GDD here? I want a simpler one. Game dev, game jam, GDD. Plain document. Fuck! It's all the same thing. God damn it. Okay. Well, this is the example they give for a GDD. I kind of wanted to just use like I guess I should have this in an actual document. I just need to figure out how to do that. How do I want to do that? Oh, I download this. The problem with downloading this is I don't like make a copy. Fucked up. Okay. What I'll probably do is no, I won't come back. I won't do this. The problem is I'm not like signed into any accounts. On like Opera. And I don't want to be. I don't want Opera to have my accounts. I guess I can make a Google Doc. And I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys like each piece. Yeah, fuck it. I'll well, I have an idea. Is that a bad idea? I have an idea. Let me think about this idea. Does that in any way, shape, or form help me? Does that in any way, shape, or form hinder me? Probably not. Heal GDD or in 2407 pirate software game jam. Okay, hold on. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have a secondary idea. Let me use my burner account. I use burner accounts specifically if like I have to share my account with somebody. That shouldn't be there. No, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. Hello, Dave. Alright. I'm going to... I'm not going to use my burner account. I'm going to use my other burner account. AKA the dump. Which is our other channel that we share with Schnapsy and hasn't been uploaded to in a while. Oh, will people be able to see this? Oh, shit. I've made it so you guys can't see the URL. It's annoying. Hold on. Spend too much time on X4. Economic tweaking gets addictive when you're spitballing massive construction projects. Nice. I'm making a video game. It's bigger. Bigger. I'll make that there. And it's even bigger. Make this even bigger. Perfect. Perfect. I think that works. And then by share. Oops. I didn't mean to do that one. Fuck yaddy. Copy the link. And then we're going to try this out. It's just snowball effects of economy of scale or something. Certain points just melee industrial complex goes burr. Yeah. Alright. If I open this up, just can't see that. Sick. Okay. You know that works. That works. Okay. So now I'm working off of like two screens. One with the editing one and one with the showing one. And I'm hoping this works. Anyways. I don't like copy paste and then fill out. I think that feels bad. So I'm going to not copy paste. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna not copy paste. I'm just going to use this one for reference. That's it. This is nice art. I'm impressed that they got, like, this art done. What Myers do thing? Building on high consumption stations. After everything react, Marine starts pouring from a trickle to a torrent. You have an ocean drop, but you can't find the means to spend it all. Once you pass the 30th station, I guess. Yeah. That's why you just don't build an X. And instead, you shoot people with like the shittiest thing that you can find. And that's all you need to do, really, in life. Okay. The first thing, header or title, subtitle. Make title is going to be a video game title. A title. Yep. And then right below it, now there's gonna be a video game subtitle. Nah, you don't need to do all that. You just need your own hands. That's all. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what the video game is called yet. I guess they just have by name for the 2022 Pirate Software game. Yeah. Okay. A real Racoon for the 2024, for the July 2024 Pirate Software Game Jam. Yeah, but then the robots take over. Can't have that happen early. No, not if you're good enough. If you just fight the robots with your bare hands, you'll win. Okay. So we have a video game title. Cool. And then this is just table of contents. Line? I really don't care. I'll make it look nice eventually. Hee ha hee. Insert. I want to insert a table of contents. Links, dotted, plain text. I like links. Yeah. I like links. Alright. And then insert a page break. Right? And then we do heading 1. And what do they have? They have introduction. That's probably good. Introduction. Can't even have a sassy blue hedgehog verticalized robots. Missed opportunity, Ecosoft. Yeah. It happens. Introduction. So I have to scroll down on this one, huh? Introduction. And then what do they have for the introduction? Oh, before the introduction they have that. That's fine. I don't have any kind of thing. Game summary pitch. Mass Flux is a tile-based puzzle game about reducing or generally manipulating the shape of a mass of cell blocks to navigate to a goal. Okay. So mine is not going to be that. Chili dogs. I fucking hate the chili dogs meme. I have a, like, visceral reaction to the chili dogs meme, and I don't exactly know why. There's just so much disgust that goes into my brain anytime I, like, visualize. Well, I can't really mentally visualize, but I think about Sonic chili dogs. Like, I don't see anything, I just feel it. This wouldn't be heading 2, this would be... Oh no, it would be heading 2, because you have introduction, and then you have, like... Yeah. So... Game... Summary... Right? And then we also have... I'm just going to fill out a couple of these. Heading 2... And then we have inspiration. And then we have player experience. I know I'm not switching back and forth, I'm sorry. I just am copying this, so platform. Development software. And genre. I just want to get as much of this down so that I can fill it out as we go today. There's also target audience. Do I care about the target audience? I kind of, my like first reaction to that is I don't really care. I don't know. My target audience is me. Interpretation. Theme interpretation. Okay. And then they put the theme here. And heading to primary mechanics. Animated mock-up. Fucking gad. Interesting. Secondary mechanics. Art. The main heading? That's main heading. Art. Theme interpretation. I forgot how to spell interpretation, even though I was looking at it. Design. Audio. I wish they gave one like raw and then one with examples. Seeing examples unironically kind of fucks me up when I don't want them. Like right now I'm just waiting to know like what the expectations are. Not necessarily somebody else's interpretation of them. Roles. Development timeline. Oh, they also use minimal viable product. That's cool. This person's got some good shit going. Beyond. Extra levels. Okay. MVP. Minimal viable product. And okay. I think that's it. I just got enough. But now, we go over here. We now have stuff. These should bring me down? Yeah. Do the other ones have hyperlinks? So, I honestly don't know. I don't know how the drive works. Oh, so these are also hyperlinks. They just look better. This one. Honestly, I like the clean. As clean as possible. I'm also going to set this to double space. 1.5? 1.5 for now. I don't think this has to be 1.5 actually. This can be cool. Ugh. Oh my no. Hold on. I'm dying. Okay. We have down the rough idea here. We need the theme. The theme, shadows and alchemy. In the theme interpretation. Was it alchemy? Hello, Racoon. How's it going? Okay. So now that we've gotten this down and dirty, any fun ideas yet? Never. I'm going to make the worst game known to man. Fuck your mom simulator. It definitely matches the theme. All right. Game summary pitch. So this is our kind of few words as possible pitch. Make a normal text. Make normal text a little bit bigger. I'm also going to make it. Did I? I'm going to make the entire thing in Comic Sans. Yes. Awesome. We'll have the entire thing as Comic Sans. Oh wait, the subtitle didn't get Comic Sans. I need you to get Comic Sans. I love Comic Sans. It's so fucking funny. There are other funny fonts, but using Comic Sans just shows that you're like lazy for a funny font, which is even funnier. Fucking dying. Hello, Renewed. How's it going? Welcome to my hell where I blow my nose every 2 seconds. Yeah, Ash, if you're feeling better. My hand feels better today, which is good. Because yesterday, midway through the day, I was seriously contemplating going to the ER to figure out what the fuck is wrong with my hand. It's still not, like, perfect. If I bend it down and push on it, it hurts a bit. But otherwise, I can move it, which is good. And I can hold a mouse without being in pain. Because it was so bad that I, like, couldn't grip without being in, like, searing pain at points. And I still don't know what I did. You will enough gonna be packing soon? Nice. Are you excited for your trip to insert place you're going here? It could be Antarctica. It could be Germany. You'll never know. Okay, theme interpretation. Let's push that. Okay. Introduction. Yeah. Introduce this bitch. I think this is, let me make sure. Yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good. I should actually have it, no, I'll keep it. Alright. Everything else is good. Yeah. So, my Illinois road trip to Arkansas, you're not supposed to, you're renewed. You're not supposed to fucking leak where you're going, or else people will rob you, like Home Alone 2. And Home Alone 1 as well. No. Well, no, Home Alone 2, they weren't robbed. He got lost in New York, that's right. Home Alone 1, those are decoy. Oh, that makes sense. That, you know, that understandable. I understand decoys. I wrote down, because I saw this, like, theme while I was working today. So I just kind of, like, wrote down different ideas on my phone. And then one of the ideas I pitched to Snopsy and Tully, because I thought they'd be, I wanted opinions, realistically. And they're helping me. Tully is helping with art, mainly. And Snopsy is helping with music, mainly. I don't know if they'll be done in time for the Game Jam, but in theory, if we make this like a playable game on Steam, then it will feature those two things. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't know. If they want. It's kind of just like friend thing. Play enough tower defenses, keep the brigands at bay. You know, I believe you. Anyways, so I've already pitched this to two people. But I'm going to reveal my shit. Alright, you ready for me to reveal my genius? Okay, this is patented from the moment that I say it. If anyone takes this idea, I'm coming for you. And that's a threat. Okay. So my idea is that you are the shadow government. But instead of an entire government, you are just a little fellow in your mom's basement. Little fella, this does not mean child. This just means small. In your mom's basement. Alright? Your decisions... You use... you use... wizardry. Both in the traditional and computer wizard sense to craft to craft tools that you upload let's say tools in quotes. Craft tools that you upload into your computer. Alright? We're getting there. So you're a shadow government, but instead of an entire government, you are just a little fella. This does not mean child, it just means small, in your mom's basement. You use wizardry, both in traditional and computer wizard sense, to craft tools that you then upload into your computer. Once on the computer, you can use these tools to affect the lives of those around you. Affect the world. I'll say the world. Yeah. That's pretty much it. You are the shadow government, but instead of an entire government, you're just a little fella. This does not mean child, it just means small, in your mom's basement. Use wizardry, both in traditional and computer wizard sense, to craft tools that you then upload into your computer. Once on the computer, you can use these tools to affect the world in whatever way you wish. Alright, there's my game pitch for what I am thinking. This is not at all final, this is not set in stone, but this is generally what I am thinking of for this game. Alright. Now, you get down. Why is there a. Why is there an entire. What? Okay. Well, the inspiration wants to be on a separate fucking page, I guess. Why that is. Well, how do you want to be on a separate page? Oh, it's because it was tied to the others. Okay, that makes sense. Oopsies. That's a compelling pitch. I think it's silly. I think it's silly enough for me to do it. So, we're gonna go with it. Alright, the inspiration. So, I'm taking inspiration, build this specifically to Schnappy. When? Oh, I see. I'm working on game now. Opsy wanted me to join for a tier list ranking of every Obi-Wan Kenobi appearance that he could think of or find. But I'm working on video game. We're a little bit silly coded, just a little bit. Anyways, so because there are two parts to this game, I'll have part of it be. I think part of it comes from. Fuck, what is the game called? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck! Guys, I forget this fucking game. Oh no! Oh no! Inscription. Okay. So the inspiration. One was inscription. inscription for its ability to affect, for its ability to have a game inside of a game. And both affect each other. Inscription. Feedback on suggestion. Suggestion is wrong. Oh yeah, inscription is awesome. I love inscription. So good. So good. The second inspiration is going to be here. I'll heading 3 this. There we go. And I won't heading 3 this. Oh. Can the game include a cat? Basement cat. Maybe. That's not important though. The cat is not important at the moment. Okay, the second, I don't know why that was tied there. The second inspiration as part of the government, it's not. In fact, the game can have a cat, but it specifically dies. It's killed. Sorry. You got your wish. What was the second one? Oh! Zoo Tycoon. And this is for giving players the choice to be evil. Yep. That's my Zoo Tycoon. And then the third one was Potion Craft. It's kind of Potion Craft. It's kind of Potion Craft. For allowing players to discover, to be led to discover new abilities. I spelled lead wrong. I spelled lead as lead. Alright. I think those are really the 3 inspirations. I'll put some more. I have a couple here, actually. Undertale? For NPC interaction. And finally, Battle Block Theater for art style. There we go. Undertale for having Comic Sans. That is a pretty good one. About NPC like Sunhaven for the romance, there is no romance. In fact, that's explicitly why we are doing Undertale for NPC interaction, so that it is as unhorny as possible and actively makes fun of horny people. Because I think they deserve it. You know, I think the horny people deserve to be made fun of for once. Actually, just all the time. No romance, only destruction. Pretty much. Alright. I think those are all of my inspirations. This is going to pop up here. Player experience. This one. What do they say for this one? Single screen dungeon for each of the 15 puzzles. They will solve a short but perhaps complex puzzle requiring planning and management. Player must learn and use their knowledge of the interactions between player cells and various environmental items to understand how to pass through a level. That is not going to be what this game is. There's technically three parts of the game. Technically. There is the player experience is split into 3 parts. Player experience is split into 3 parts. I'm heading through this bitch. The first part is going to be the alchemy station. It's going to be the alchemy station. At the alchemy station, the player will be able to use ingredients and items and potentially a witchcraft spells. I should say ingredients and other inputs to craft, to discover and craft outputs. Because in theory there won't just be ingredients, there will also be spells. I don't know if that will be in the demo, honestly, because that's all this is. But in theory, there will be both ingredients, which are expendable, and spells, which you have a limited amount of mana that recharges every day. And so, where ingredients might be easier, some ingredients might be easier to come by, other ingredients are going to be harder, and you'll want to use spells to get the same result, or a similar result. At the alchemy station, craft outputs that they will use in the simulator. Use in the simulation station. The alchemy nah, I won't spoil that. I won't spoil what the alchemy station is. It's just an alchemy station. So then we have the simulation station. Right? At the simulation station, the player will be able to use, I should say, tools here. Craft tools. I'm going to use it in quotes because I don't know if I like the word tools yet. At the simulation station. I'm going to put anything in quotes that's a commonly used unknown. There we use simulations. This is just so if I ever have to change everything en masse, it's a little bit easier. Okay. Player will be able to use tools. Use their created tools, as well as interaction. Create tools and other interactions to I don't want to say control, because I'm not really going for control. Sway the movement of the world. I have to blow my nose again. Kia. It's every 2 seconds. I'm back. I hate my nose. At the simulation station, the player will be able to use their created tools and other interactions, other interactions to sway the movement of the world. So, I should just say sway the world. World. Sway the game world. Sway the world. Yeah. Because the whole spoiler alert is that you're like actually swaying the real world through this. So while this kid is playing, in theory, a game, it's actually affecting the world. And then we get to, speaking of, the world. The player able to get out of their chair and move around the world. The house, I should say. Move around the house. Locations and interact. Move around the house and interact with various NPCs. items and items/objects and I should say items and because the difference between an item and an object to me is an item is something that goes into your inventory, whereas an object is just something that, like a bed or a like telephone, something that you're not going to like shove in your pants pocket necessarily, but you still want to have players able to interact with it just for like basically Easter eggs slash like world building. Who has messaged me? Oh. Okay. No reply. Alrighty. Yeah. So those are really the three areas that the player is going to be able to interact with, in my mind. The player is going to be able to primarily interact with the alchemy station and the simulation station. And the world is kind of a way for them to see in a personal state the effect that they have on the world. Yeah. Yeah. I'm kind of interested. Who do I want to get really silly? Ooh, I might want to get really silly. I think I'm just going to keep that in my brain box, though. I don't know if that's going to be in this MVP. Yeah, let's keep it simple. This is already a lot to do in 2 weeks. Let's see. Undertale. Viewpoints. Plus Battle Block Theater. Theater. There we go. Simulation Station is going to be the Zoo Tycoon. Plus Battle Block Theater art. Everything is going to have Battle Block Theater art. So I'm just going to not put that. Zoo Tycoon viewpoints. And the alchemy station will be potion crafter viewpoint. I might change the potion crafter one. I'm not too sure about it. I kind of want it to be a thing where you're like looking down at a like fucking thing and you're just shoving shit inside. Guys, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real honest. Alright, hold on. He is literally a blender. the the cauldron is going to literally just be a blender. That's my idea. I want quite literally it to just be a blender. All right. Blender time. Okay. So in theory, the only time that you really get to see your character is... Ooh. Okay, that would be a full version thing. Let me make an optional. I'm having ideas. What all did they put for this one? Look. Number, assignment, type, status, finish by notes. Optional. I hate numbering systems, so fuck that one. Product roadmap. Oh, that's literally what they used. Hold on. That's literally what they used. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I was like starting to be like, you know, I'm not that great at thing. I'll do that. Oh no, that's lit. Okay. All right. Table templates, review tracker. Okay. Insert table. These are lit. Launch content. Oh, these are lit. I never knew they like existed. How do I change this? View more actions. Table properties. Here we go. Cell. How do I... Edit and edit options. There we go. Template name. Template name is progress tracker. And going to say red is not started. Well, actually, no. Let's keep that as that. You guys can't see what I'm doing because it's on the other screen. I hate yellow. So we're going to make in progress pink. And green is going to be launched. It's going to be dark green. Done. Okay. Option 4 is not doing. Is red. If I decide to not do something, no. Later. Yeah. There we go. Not started, in progress, done, later. There we go. Related files. I don't think I care about related files, honestly. Item. Item status. I should honestly just, like, change the... Here, I'll just change the 1. And then... copy that to the other. Notes should be done. I don't care about related files. It's cool that you can have them. Column. Add column to the left. Percentage done. Start with 0% on everything. With 0% on everything. Something. I like more borders. Does it not have an extra border? Well, maybe I have to edit the table. Style, inline, wrap text, column, table border. I like a hard border, 1 point, cell background color. Yep, I like the whole shebang to be. A little bit lighter. This one can be. There we go. Good shit. Okay, some item. Insert a column to the left. This is description. Description of our item. Can we embiggen this? Yes, we can. Like, table's filling up the whole bitch. Let's give a new insert. I want a page break. I want a page break for the major headers, honestly. Just helps me separate. New game experience development timeline. There we go. Okay. I've broken up all of the pages. Item description, status, percentage done, notes. Anything else? I could add type. Yeah. I don't really have a finish by goal. I'm not gonna add those. Do I care about type? Not necessarily. I don't really care about type. I don't think it'll help me. This is not the way I think. No, I think keeping it pretty simple is good. Honestly, description is fine. I like having description. Alrighty. Let's take this. I wanted to make this all because I had a thing that I didn't want to forget, and I may have forgotten it. Hold on. Don't worry. We're getting there. We're getting there. Ooh. Fuck. But it was an optional thing that I didn't want to oh! That's right. Character customization. Customization. This will only be for the player character, not for, I should say, for inside the simulation station. Or inside the simulation station. Yeah. Because I want to have I want the character to be like the character from Undertale for the overworld. So it's just everybody is going to be the same motherfucker. But then in theory, you could make it so that the character you're allowed to customize is the one for inside of the simulation station. Because I want you to be able to have a character inside the simulation station and not just play God. If that makes sense. But I think that's like that's not even like a demo thing. I just want to write that down. Alright, I am back. Okay. I'm not even going to get to the rest yet. I wanted a place to write down ideas as I had them. Back up here. Platform is the next topic. There. So the platform that they described developed to be released on Windows PC. Same. Windows PC. I should say primary Windows PC. Secondary Linux PC. Mac. No, Mac shit is horrible, right? Mac potentially. No. Secondary is mobile. Others. Would mobile work? Yeah, there shouldn't be any typing in this game. Linux, Mac, primary, the browser, Flash, Windows PC. Secondary, mobile, others, Linux, Mac, Steam Deck. I wouldn't see any reason why not. Yeah. Mobile phone, Steam Deck. That should cover most people. And then others are like never Nintendo. Fuck Nintendo. Alright, remember this. Remember this. Remember this. Fuck Nintendo. Yeah. None of my games will ever be on Nintendo hardware. It's just bad. Do 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 do. All right, development software. So this is where it kind of gets tricky. We know what we want to do. We just need to figure out how we can do that. And I think the best way of doing that is taking from Inscription and figuring out what that was built on. Because I think that's most like this. So Inscription is built on Unity. That's not good. Okay, what about Undertale Game Engine? Game Maker. Okay. So Game Maker is if you want to make a 2D game. And I don't think... Do we need any 3D? Like, really? Do we need any 3D? So, Overworld... The world is going to be Undertale style. So, that should be fine. Yeah. What about a battle block? What is the engine? Seems to be a custom one. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, nobody seems to know that one. Let's look at Game Maker Studio. What can it do? Because I've heard good things about Game Maker, and I've heard good things about Godot. I don't want to do Unity. Unity is shit. And Unreal doesn't... I don't think I need the power of Unreal in this game. Here's free professional enterprise. Okay. Ultimate 2D making tool. I think I could do it reasonably. Yeah. I think we could reasonably do Game Maker. What's about Godot? Godot. Free open source, develop your 2D and 3D, cross-platform, XR ideas. It is free and open source. So, unlike Game Maker, it dedicated 2D engine. Simple and powerful 3D. Can you mix them? Godot mix 2D and 3D. Code. Doable, difficult to do in a clean way. I don't really want to have to make 3D. I don't know, but Godot might be it. Godot's been doing some good shit. Yeah. Let's do Godot. I think it gives me a bit more flexibility than Game Maker. Godot. They specify anything? Game Maker Studio version 2.3 for programming. Godot. Or game. Godot for game. A-Sprite for graphics and UI, FL Studio 12 for all music and SFX. What's FL Studio 12? Or what's FL Studio, I guess. There's probably a new one. Save big on FL Cloud Pro. I don't really want Cloud Pro. Is there a lifetime free updates? Ooh, I do like lifetime free updates. I'm pretty down for that. Fruity. FL Cloud free user access. Why do they put free user in quotes? Free tag sounds. Stem separation, audio editors, instruments and effects, audio recording, audio clips, effects. I mean, can you upgrade at any time? FL Studio upgrade anytime? Just upgrade. What are the upgrade prices for FL Studio? Yeah. To obtain upgrade pricing, you must be logged into your Image Line account before visiting our shop. More products, alternatively, upgrade prices will be shown in the web shop after signing in. We offer upgrade pricing from any FL Studio Edition to any higher FL Studio Edition. Okay. I'm fine with that. Yeah. Yeah, as long as they have upgrading, it's pretty fun. Everything from a producer edition plus. FL Cloud free trial, full access. This is FL Cloud. There's a subscription service starting at $667. FL Cloud Pro is $150 a month or $100 per year. Gives you plugins, sounds, mastering, AI powered mastering. Does that count as AI generated content? Is that? Ooh. I guess it's not generated if it's just mastering. But it does seem iffy. I don't know. It's one of the like better uses of AI if it's just for optimization. Distribution. Powered by DistroKid. I don't really care about their FL Cloud. It might be useful. But I don't really. What else would we need? Instruments and effects. Can we know what instruments? Effects. Audio recording is pretty important, and audio clips. Your editions do not. Audio clips you can play at once. Yeah, I would think producer would probably be the best. What does producer versus signature do? Audio editors. Interesting. Interesting that this comes with 0. Audio clips, effects, partially included. Okay. Audio editors. Oh. Tone is a pitch correction and time manipulation. New time. Time manipulation editor. Audio editing and recording tool. Interesting. Again, I can upgrade at any time, so I would think like it's pretty fine to, and it's lifetime. If it wasn't lifetime, I wouldn't think about this. But yeah, lifetime free updates, 25 years and going strong. Hell yeah. I'm done. Yeah. Okay, I will probably use FL Studio if I, yeah. I'm not going to put it on now because I haven't needed to use any yet. But it seems like a good one. And what was the other one? A-Sprite for graphics and UI. A-Sprite. What is this? A-Sprite animated sprite editor. Buy now. How much does this cost? $20? That's pretty lit. Oh, it's Humble Bundled. That's why the UI looks similar. Is this by Humble Bundle? I kind of expect it to be. I expect it to be by Humble Bundle or very much backed by them. Because this is just a Humble Bundle store. Straight up. I recognize it anywhere. What do I get? Windows installer. Steam key to get automatic updates. Oh, you can use Steam. Able to download updates from Humble Bundle, Gumroad, itch.io, or Steam to 1.9. Steam key, the program will be updated automatically from the Steam client. How much does it cost? Minimum pledge amount to get the convenient .exe and .dmg files. Roadmap. What's roadmap? So they're currently on 1.3. Tile map editor, palette changes and timeline, slice changes and timeline, more brush options, batch processing. That's pretty lit. The big thing for FL Studio, I'm wondering, benefits of ownership. All your devices. That's important. Because if I want to share this with a team member, like share an account with a team member, then this is very important to me. Yeah. So like, for example, Snopsy doing audio, if he wants to use FL Studio, then we can both use it. And that's really good. Is this the same way? I mean, this is $20, so it's not as important. I mean, you just get .exe. There's a CLI. Nice. Nice. Create animations, save them as GIFs. Aaron's repeating the image in a 3x3. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I think this would work. Definitely. Yeah. Okay. I think those are good ones. I'll realistically do FL video for sound, a sprite for art. Yeah. Alright. Genre. We're finally onto that. Single player, puzzle, casual. So this will be... This one will be single player. Control... Was it? No. It's decisions matter. Yeah. That's pretty much all I would describe it as. Otherwise it's like 2D, but it's not really a genre. Visual novel. I very explicitly like immediately was like, I do not want to make a visual novel. Because let me tell you something. I'm gonna give you a little secret. I don't think visual novels are games. I don't think they are. Vaguely interactive stories. I think visual novels are the same as saying a picture book is a novel. Right? Like technically it's a book. You've angered the VN fans? Good. Because a visual novel requires, like, no brain cells. Absolutely none. To make it, sure, but to, like, play it, no. The only visual novel I've played is Doki Doki Literature Club. And that one was only good because it, like, broke outside of the VN space a little bit. Otherwise, I still don't think it's a game. What's your APM in Katawa Shouju? Sorry, I don't speak Spanish. You're right, if there isn't anything more than reading. Yeah. Like, well, that's the thing, right? If there's anything more than reading in a visual novel, and like picking, you know, like choices, then it would be a point and click, which would be fine. That's a game. It's a simple game, but point and click is a game. But in a visual novel, it's not a game. It's literally, visual novels are usually just vehicles for porn of some kind. Pretty much. I dig deep for that bastard. It was either that or Dinky Dinky Linguini Club. It's fine. Listen, man. Anytime somebody brings up something that I don't know what the fuck it means, it might as well be Spanish. Because I don't know what the fuck it means. The most mid scenes you've ever seen after hours of painstakingly managing dozens of save slots. Oh. 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 I see. Target audience is me. I want to play this game. I don't know. I don't have a target audience. I think like having target audience is good if you're trying to like make money. I don't give a shit. I'm going to make a thing, and then if people want to play it, then they can for a price. I'm thinking this game is going to be like $2. Maybe $3. $5 at most. Depending how big the final product is, I guess. Ugh. I don't think it'll be anything bigger than that. How much is actually how much is Inscription? $20. Oh, but they're produced. They have Devolver as a producer. That's understandable. If I have a producer, it's probably more. I don't think this game would be expensive. I don't want it to be free because I like seeing people bitch about things not being free that they think should be free. Like video games. And then the same people bitch when a free video game has pay to win or paid to cosmetic things. Rug. Gameplay overview. I've kind of already gone over this. This player experience. I don't think I need to repeat it. I don't think I need this as player experience exists. I don't know. It seems like same shit. Theme interpretation for Shadows and Alchemy. So Shadows, you are you are in a basement. Alchemy. You make shit. I'll probably go back and fix these later, but at this point, I think I've already gotten the idea down somewhere. Primary mechanics is going to be using items and interactions to affect world. secondary mechanic. This is a heading 1. Secondary mechanics. Oh, I should say crafting. Wait. Crafting items to be used to affect the world. Finding resources to make items to be used to affect the world. Interacting with world objects. Okay. Art. Skip. Audio. Skip. A game experience. UI. On top of their rigid pixel art, a smooth, hard to finish style be or incorporated in the UI. Oh. Everything will be made of cardboard and... Yep. Controls. WASD to move. WASD/arrow keys. Move. Click. /E to interact. Click. Arrow. WASD/arrow keys / mouse to select. Keys plus enter. Mouse plus mouse click. Select. Yeah. I don't think there has to be any jumping. Yeah. Development timeline. Minimal viable product. So we want to have a start screen. We want to have start screen / main menu. We probably want to have do I care about a tutorial? I don't give a shit about a tutorial. Tutorial. Pick a tutorial. I don't know if it's necessary. Game seems intuitive / simple enough of controls. Yeah. That's basically my thought. And I tend to really appreciate games that don't have tutorials for simple things. I might do what a lot of games are doing now, which is like embedding the tutorial into the environment. So because the theming is going to be cardboard, maybe having like cardboard strewn about with like the different controls, maybe. MVP, minimal viable product. I want to have the alchemy station. I want to have the simulation station. And I want to have the world. Which else is annoying you? The house. Let's say the house instead of the world. Differentiate between the house. Because they won't go outside of their house. Doing games really leave a sour first impression with a lousy and or oppressive mandatory tutorial. The thing that pisses me off the most is not games that have a tutorial. It's games that will give you tutorial messages in the middle of gameplay when they want you to do a thing and you don't want to do that thing. You know you can do that thing, but you don't want to. Like, I don't know. The like press shift to run thing is like, just let me intuit that. Come on. Right? Like, or when the worst is whenever it's like a first person shooter or something, and it's like, press G to throw a grenade, press F to use your ultimate ability. And it's like, I don't want to use my ultimate ability right now. Press F to use your ultimate ability. And it's like taking up your entire screen. It's the first layer, so you can't see anything behind it. There's no opacity, and it's basically fucking you until you listen to it. That's I hate that. So I want to have the most minimal. I want to have a minimalist tutorial. That's the goal. Let's see what I was writing. Minimalist tutorial. Okay. Alchemy station, simulation station, the house. Right? I want to have those 3 done. I want to have day 1. Because this is going to be a multi-day thing, I think. So I want to have day 1 available. Because, like, the theory behind it for this game is going to be that you're not only doing this, like, you're doing this day by day, and you're seeing how your decisions, your gameplay affects the world over time, rather than just getting it all done at the same time. I also want to have... I want them to fully get through day 1, and then day 2 ending. Start of day 2. And I want this I want this to show the outcomes outcomes of the players' decisions, like New Vegas. I should add that as a inspiration. Heading to Fallout New Vegas. Specifically. Decision making. Decisions matter. I guess. No, I don't want to do it like that, actually. I lied. I've lied to you. I want it to show the outcomes of the player's decision. Like Fallout New Vegas, this is only for the demo. And I think this might change. But I don't want to actually do it that way. Because I think Fallout New Vegas kind of takes you into a third person, and it's like, yes, like, because of the lone wanderer, or because of the courier, I don't know, whoever they call them, this and this happened, and this and this happened, and this and this happened. I realistically want the game to just, like, change with the player's decisions and never overtly say it. So I'm not going to do that for just the demo. I'm going to do it how I want to do it. It's not going to be to as full of a scale as I would want for the full game, but that's why this is a demo. So it's basically going to be like when you wake up, what happened to your cat? What happened to your mom? What happened to like this, that, the other, the mailman? That kind of thing. Yeah. Optional character customization. We'll add to this as we go. But I think this is a good start. I want to get into Godot, and I want to start getting my hands on. A GDD isn't something that you do before you make a game. It's something that you do as you make a game. So, Godot Engine.net. C# support. Do I care about C# support? What's the downside of C# support? Downside of Godot C#. Currently has the following problems. Large amounts of C++ are required to glue Godot to the C# runtime. Makes it difficult to maintain and redundant with the new extension system in Godot 4. Let me see. Is moving towards adopting C# as primary programming language, shot down by the Godot devs. Okay. The growing popularity and versatility of C#, is it growing? Can't accept this claim. They don't use C# because it's better, I'm more comfortable with it, don't want to change. There are many compatibility issues. Okay. Alright, I'll go with no C#. I have C# experience, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. Blow my nose. I should really have a better rack for toilet paper. I use toilet paper to blow my nose. Alrighty. Be back. I'm still congested, but it's fine. My ears are also clogged. But it's fine. It's okay. We'll live. Is Godot running? Hello? Godot? Rodo? Is that it? It just does that? It doesn't have like an installer? Okay. That's pre-lit. Shove it in the right place. Programs. Godot. I wonder where its shit's stored. Official example projects. Here, let me add this. Capture Godot. Hey, there's you guys. Congratulations. I do like that that's always the first thing that it picks. Because it makes it so it's not picking any of my porn tabs that I have open. But you're really good for me. Go down there. And you go right over there. I'm guessing that's pretty fun. You guys can't see over here. Can't see my cursor. Let me make that. Capture cursor. Capture cursor's on. Oh, there it is. You guys can't see right over there. That's pretty fun. Honestly. I can resize as need be. I just don't know how this works, so I don't want it to suddenly, like, show my porn collection, obviously. Screen capture demo. WebSocket minimal demo. That's pretty neat. Dynamic split screen demo. Okay. 2D and 3D viewport demo. Okay. Rich text label with BB code demo. 2.5D game demo. Multiplayer bomber demo. We'll just make a project. Cannot save a project in the selected path. Does this have any of my porn in it? shit, no. Okay. Porn content. Yes. Okay. Let me schwarp. Let me find directory. This shit to go in. Honestly, it's probably going in here. I need to find exactly where. Actually, no, I lied. It's not going in here. This is my documents folder. I want it to literally go in the Godot folder. Because that's my preference. I think... Alright. I might be wrong on this one. I might be in the minority because I might be an idiot. But I personally believe this is also not responding. You guys also can't see this, so there was never anything that I needed to worry about. So don't worry about anything that I said previously about porn. Okay? Great. Is this crashing? Does it not like how big my computer is? Oh, it crashed. Okay. We'll try that again. No. I'd like a new project. There we go. And we'll do 2024-07 Pirate Software Game Jam. And this can go in F/programs / Godot. We'll just say Godot. Great. And we'll do 2024-07 Pirate. It's just organization, so you'll need to see it. Pretty good. Version control metadata. I guess we can have Git. I kind of hate Git, honestly. Forward plus desktop plus mobile, less advanced 3D graphics, less scalable for complex scenes, fast rendering of simple scenes, slower rendering, advanced 3D graphics, compatibility, and web platforms. So I want this one because yeah. Hold on. How to make browser game with Godot. Can I make this? How to make a Godot game playable in the browser. Ron. I'm going to, like, hide this with Godot. For the most part. While I research. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So the thing that I want to know is compatibility render required. Godot is compatibility renderer required to make a game to make browser game. Is it required? Godot, I have a low-end PC. Godot doesn't work. Forward plus and compatibility renderer. Okay. What's the difference? Is used when the end user doesn't have the required OpenGL3 renderer to play the Godot game. It's not just for the web for 2D games if it's made for PC. Okay. For 2D games, if it's made by mobile, it depends. Okay, so it sounds like you like have to use it for web, which is fun. I'll do that. I'm sure I can change the renderer later, can I? Because I don't intend for this to always be web. No. Hey, done. Hey, done. Godot change renderer. How do I change this? So I can change that as project settings, rendering, rendering method. Okay, cool. So I can change it later, so I don't have a problem with using compatibility for this game jam. Let's do it. Godot game engine. Alrighty. We're in this bitch. Create a root node. User interface. Add a child node. This is for the scene, so I can use a new scene. Okay, so I can use different scene types and probably tie them together somehow. I don't know if that's exactly what I'll do, but the user interface is a different scene. That makes sense. Cool. Play this scene. Well, I don't want to do that yet. So this is going to be main menu, or this can be the title screen. No, this will be the main menu. Yeah. And then instantiate child scene. Instantiate child scene. How do I move from scene to scene without instantiating the child scene? Does it have to be a child scene, or can I swap scenes? That is my question. Scene. So I guess the first question. I don't have a button here. Let me have a button for Godot. I can show you guys what I'm typing. The Godot. Overlay and chatting. This is for Godot. So if I don't want to see it, then I don't have to see it. Okay, cool. Godot, how to switch scenes. Change scenes manually. We can remove the existing scene from a tree. Root node. I'll do load and change scenes. Archive. This is in the archive. The table said, I've seen other code for changing scene. It's a bit different from others. Base code of scene changing. Okay. Cool. That kind of makes sense. A little bit. So then what would a child node do? I guess a child node would be... Oh, comes up with a couple different things. I guess I also need to show the different parts of Godot. Godot... Food. Create new node. There you go. It's on top of Godot. That's roughly where it is. Yeah, that's good. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Viewport is a window. Base class for all windows, dialogues, and pop-ups. Subviewport, an interface to a game world that doesn't create a window or draw to the screen directly. Okay. Node 2D. 2D game object inherited by all 2D related nodes. Has position, rotation, scale, and z-index. 3D game object, parent of all 3D related nodes. Okay, animation mixer, animation player. Canvas layer, independent rendering of objects within a 2D scene. Parallax background, used to create a parallax scrolling background. You guys also can't like see the like pop-ups, but I'm reading them, so whatever. Multiplayer spawner, okay. HTTPS requests, okay. I don't really need those. Navigation agents. Pathfind to a position while avoiding obstacles. Okay. Node to preload sub-resources inside of a scene. Okay. Shader globals override. Skeleton ick 3D. Okay. Timer, a countdown timer. World environment. The default environment properties for the entire scene. Okay. So what if we do a window? Accept dialog. Pop up. Does this matter? That's a general question. Does this matter? What would you use for middle menu for a list of options? Pop up with a panel background. Pop up menu. Okay. Initial position, center of screen. Primary screen? Main window screen. Primary screen? Main window screen? I guess it would be main window. Oh, pop-up menu. I'm just gonna play with stuff. Use XR, development 3D, snap to D vertical. Snap 2D versus 2 pixel. Care about that? Canvas items, default texture. Default texture repeat. UI, disable input, snap controls to pixels. Embed subwindows. So at this point, I'm lost, which is okay. I'm going to look up and not show you guys. Godot. How to make new. Godot main menu in 4 minutes. Ugh. This guy be quieter. Mm-hmm. Okay. Whoa, a V-box container. Oh, I was so wrong. Okay, well, I was right up until this point. Add child name. V-box container. Ooh. GUI control, GUI container. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Go into the V-box. Want a button. Yeah. Oh, menu button? What is a menu button? Brings up a pop-up menu when clicked. Okay. Pop-up menu. Oh. That might be useful. How do I see the scene? Oh, there we go. So, we'll just go with a button, because this is literally what they say. Add button for start. Add button for options. Add a button for quit. Quitter. Loser. Let me out. There we go. Let me in, let me out. I'm guessing we can, like, just shove a texture on this, right? Yeah. Eventually. Is that moving it? That's moving it. Rename to let me in button. Options button. And let out button. Yeah. Looks good. I usually type in camel case, but I might just do this style. Oh, they said a lot of words there. Oops. So, layout. Definitely there's like alignment. Shrink center. What does this look like? Oh, I need to also show that then. Window capture. Godot debug. There we go. That's pretty much what I say. Roughly. So you can see that we can press these buttons. They're stuck up here in the top. So then, visibility. This node doesn't have a control parent. Does it need a control parent? V-box container. Ooh. This is where we want to have. Oh. I probably want the V-box container to be just in the middle. Transform. Position. Scale. What did he do? He did a thing for, There's a layout button. Anchor preset. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Cool. We'll just set it there. Easy peasy for now. I'll probably customize it later. But that's a later thing. Alright, where are we going? So our menu, we want to add a script to it. Oh. New or existing script. Template. Parents control. Language GD script. Yeah. Extends control. And then we go to the nodes window. Good. Pressed. Connect to here. Is that what it means? Connect to script. Okay. I was right. Oh, if I downsize that, you can see the video. I'm so sorry, random person, Master Albert, for stealing your content. What was that? Okay. I'm connected. Okay. And then... Oh. Was that easy? Get scene. Oh no, did I fuck it up? I said it was easy and then I fucked it up. Get tree change scene. Get tree dot change. So this is what we saw. Alright. Tree is not. Did it not refresh? Might not refresh. Get tree dot change scene. Oh, get tree is itself a function call. Dot change scene. And then inside of dot change scene, we add our scene. I guess for the demo we don't need a save system yet. Yeah. Not yet. Of our scene here. And then I go here, pressed, connect. This one's get tree dot quit. Got the get tree itself as a function. And there is an options one. But we don't know what this does yet. I'm going back. I won't show it because it's real quick, but on my GDD, I'm going to add optionally do a save system. Save / load game. I'll just say save system. Yeah. Also, options are optional. I don't think they're required. Yeah. So now, save F6. This pops up, showing. There we go. Go deep. This is not showing. This isn't showing the correct thing. Where is it? Not showing the correct thing anymore. I have to, window must match. To do this for node as well. Must match. Cool. So, here, this is back, and, let me in. Brakes. Hard brakes, because we don't have, a scene for it to go to. Oh, it hard brakes. Okay, hard crashes. Godot engine is not responding? Like the entire engine is hooked? No way. Can I stop that debugger? If I F6 again. Okay, cool. And then let me out, just quits it. That's sick. Like I said, I want to stylize this with, like, cardboard. Just don't have that at this point. So, we might keep it simple. Okay, so that's that scene. Let's create a new scene. And this one will be house. Probably. House. I don't know how... Is it different scenes if you're, like, walking around a house? I might keep it simple and just, like, have a one-floor-like thing. Maybe. Add child node. Button. Node 2D. Canvas. Camera 2D. Boom 2D. Okay. Tile map. Node for 2D tile-based maps. I don't really want a tile-based map. I just want a floor. Godot. We're gonna move on. Godot. What else is this guy? Yeah, actually. Keyboard control. Oh. Okay. Yeah, some more stuff to say, but none I need right now. Godot 2D. Crash course for developers. 2D. Top down? There we go. Oh, I do want a tile map. Oh. Okay. So, free license tiles. Top game assets. Modern interiors. What's this? Complete version license. You cannot edit and resell. Okay. It's required. That's pretty good. All OBJ makers are supported, software limitations. Okay. This looks good. Here, I'll show this. Looking at tile sets. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at tile sets. Because I want one for an ear interior. Yeah, it looks good. I don't want anything free. I mean, we need something with commercial licensing. And so I hypothetically want something that I can pay for. This doesn't look like it'll really provide anything. Because I don't think there will be any... Yeah, there won't be any outside things. for that. Tiny swords. Cozy farm asset pack. This could be useful just for the wood. I kind of feel like the basement should like be unfinished and have like concrete. But maybe that. Maybe not even tile, because that's tile. One like concrete straight up. Oh, like this. Ooh, I kind of like that. Oof. Alrighty. That's something to look at. I'll probably do some like research and stuff off stream. I plan to do all development on stream. But I don't feel the need to do absolutely everything. Until it's not really needed. Pixel crawler. Okay. That's pretty cool. Free asset daily updates. Interesting. Back a dungeon? Maybe. Mossy Cavern. Pixel top-down basic. This is the one that the video showed and recommended. I just don't think it fits a theme. My thought is that the downstairs, the basement, is concrete floor, pretty small, pretty dark. I don't want like Undertale-sized housing. I want like a very small house. And then upstairs, I have like a kitchen living room combo, a front door, and then up more stairs, have like 2 bedrooms. That'll be my thought. Maybe just 1 bedroom. And maybe the basement's the kid's bedroom. I don't know. I don't mean kid as in child, because I still don't think I want him to be a child. But kid as in mom's bedroom up top. Like, her child who is not child-aged. I don't know, it's weird. We use the same word, like, kid and child, relatively, and, like, permanently, or whatever. Dungeon Gathering. This kind of looks cool. This provides a little bit more... a little bit unique textures. I think it might be too much. Too much texture. Maybe not. I don't like the blocks, but I do like the spills and the cracks. I think those are good. Versus like these. This is just all the same shit. We'll see. Let's see if there's any more. I'm pretty leaning towards this for the ground. At least initially. In theory, I'd like to get everything custom done if, like, this becomes a thing. What's the commercialization? This content can be edited and used in all types of game, commercial or not commercial. It cannot be resold, even if you have edited it before. No. You may edit the assets as you see fit. Give credits, I would really appreciate it, and you would help me. Smile. Okay. You know, that's pretty good. I added it to my bookmarks. I buy this. Get this 16 by 16 assets pack and 3 more for $22 US. Good bundle. What's the bundle? Ooh. I might do it. I like supporting artists. I think what they're doing is cool. These are both free. Honestly, I'm down to just give them money. No problem with that. Yeah. I'm liking these, like, it's for very minimal things. Actually, that is kind of... The thing is this is free. It's like, do I want to pay $22 for literally just using that little bit? No. Do I want to use this person's thing for free commercially? No. It's a double-edged. I feel like I just donate. To it. Donate $5. Yeah, I mean, maybe I can use everything. I also need to look on Humble Bundle. Okay, so that's something I need. Yeah, I'd eventually like all of the... everything to be custom done. But I just don't know an artist who I would pay for them. Because, like, Toli's an artist, but Toli's a character artist. Completely different. I don't know, maybe I could help some people. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap there, though. Honestly, I'm pretty tired. But we got a lot done. I mean, we fucking filled out a lot of the GDD. We got our ideas down. We opened up Godot. We got a basic ass main menu half working. And yeah. I think I'm gonna wrap so that I can rest. It sucks to be sick during all of this. But hopefully I'm better by the end. We'll see. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support as always. I will see y'all later. Bye-byes. A dab. Also, Twitch, we're going to raid Snopsy, who's doing an Obi-Wan tier list. So I'm forcing you guys over there. If I can remember how to raid. I think that's it. There you go. Y'all are raiding Snopsy. Alright? So I'll see y'all later. Bye-byes, dab.